these are burgers, turkey burgers, that have ground mustard, grated onion, salt, pepper, fresh thyme, and a little bit of parsley in the burger. Jerry made our beer barbecue sauce we're gonna baste those burgers with when they're done. Now you're ready to flip.
Ready?
Think you're ready to flip? Nice color, good job, Jer.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Now, I happen to like cheeseburgers. Are you a fan of cheeseburgers?
I'm a very big fan of cheeseburgers. I'm not afraid of dairy.
All right.
Bring it.
Bring it. So top them with some sharp white cheddar and then make a little tinfoil tent over the pan. You just rest them over the top like a little tent, okay? Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook off your pretzel rolls. You get your oven nice and hot to 350. Put your foil tent.
Put my little tent. All right, here's our little clubhouse. We're making a little cheese.
And why waste the cheese, Jer? We can.
I'm sorry. I thought we were on a budget here. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Double cheese. All right. Pretzel rolls. Have you had a sandwich or a burger on a pretzel roll yet?
I think once. Yes, I have.
It's delicious.
It is amazing.
But you want the pretzel to be warm, like the street pretzels that you get with the mustard and the stuff, right?
Sure.
So you buy the pretzel roll. You brush the top with a little bit of water, get the oven hot to 350, 375, and then sprinkle some of that coarse sea salt, Jer, on top of this where it's been brushed. See, the water makes that stick once the salt starts to get hot and melt into it. And then we're gonna put them in a hot oven so they get nice and warm for their sandwiches. I'm so excited.
As am I.
It's good, right?
It would not be a pretzel without a little bit of salt.
A little cheap on the salt, too, I have to say, Jer.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to save money.
Cheap.
Listen, times are hard these days.
Cheap on the salt.
Every pinch counts.
Throw those in the oven. The oven is that giant thing on the wall.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Here we go. We going. I'm putting it in the oven. Okay.
Yay! Nicely done. All right, we're going to take one last break. When we come back, we're going to build a better burger. So, Jerry O'Connell is with me in the kitchen today. He's in a play called American Hero, playing here in New York City if you come to town. And he is the sandwich artiste in that show, so he's helping me build a better burger. Let's see how the cheese is doing, Jer.
Let's go. Let's open our little clubhouse.
Nice.
Looks good.
Okay, take your spatula, put him here, put this fella over here.
By the way, I want to say this Rachael Ray hardware, very easy on the hands,
well,
folks.
Thank you, Jer. Thanks for the plug, brother. So these are our turkey burgers with brown mustard in the burger and fresh herbs on warm pretzel rolls. And Jerry made our sauce, beer barbecue with bacon. Crazy. Now that's a burger, people. And this barbecue sauce is good on anything, Jer.
I'm doing it, okay?
Oh, you're going in the whole thing?
I'm going in.
I'm very impressed. All right. If he can do it, I can do it.
Rachel, I want you to figure out in some sort of kind way to let my wife know to take it easy with the Demi Glaze stuff and maybe try a little bit of this. I love you, baby, though. I don't want to consciously uncouple. I love you.
I love you too, Rebecca. We miss you, but you really should make this burger. It's delicious.
It's delicious.